everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing a practical and efficient solution for fire safety in buildings. The FireCo Dormag SmartSound Fire Door Hold Open Magnet. If you're a locksmith or an access control installer looking for a reliable product to offer your clients, this one's for you. Let's get right into it. Opening the box, we've got the main Dormag unit, a set of installation instructions and all the essential mounting accessories. The unit itself has a compact and robust design which is perfect for quick and seamless integration into your client's premises without compromising on aesthetics. What sets the Dormag apart is its advanced SmartSound technology. This tech allows it to accurately recognise fire alarms and minimise false releases caused by background noise, something that can be a major headache in busy environments like schools, hospitals or office buildings. For installers, this means fewer callbacks and a more reliable solution for your customers. The best part? It's completely wireless and battery operated. That means no need to run additional wiring, making the installation faster and more cost effective. It's a straightforward install, ideal for retrofitting into older buildings or upgrading current fire safety measures without major disruptions. Now, let's talk about certifications, an important factor for any professional installer. The Dormag SmartSound is fully UK conformity assessed, CE marked and certified to BS EN 1155 for electrically powered hold open devices. It's also tested to BS EN 1634-1, ensuring fire resistance and fire safety compliance. These certifications guarantee that the Dormag meets the highest safety standards, giving both you and your clients peace of mind. In terms of use cases, the Dormag is perfect for any setting where fire doors need to be held open but still comply with safety regulations. Think high traffic areas or places where accessibility is a must. Once an alarm is detected, the magnet releases, ensuring the door closes automatically, giving you peace of mind that your clients are compliant and secure. For locksmiths and access control installers, the FireCo Dormag SmartSound is a game changer. It's simple, effective and reduces the hassle of complicated installs. If you're looking to add a high quality fire door solution to your services, check out the link in the description below and get yours now from Aldridge Security. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more installer friendly product insights from Aldridge Security's 25,000 plus product range. Hit the bell icon for future updates, and until next time, keep your installs secure and your clients happy.